All right, thank you very much, Tony. It's Friday in Titi's voice. Yes, of course, you know we all love Fridays. On the show today is Chef Johnson, and he's about to inject a delicious notes of deliciousness, right?
Yeah, right.
Into our Friday. And this morning he's making chicken stir fry with potato bed nests. Yes, I know.
Do you know
right?
I actually clap?
Why?
You're fond of pronouncing it somehow. I could remember the last time I was there, the way you pronounced my very last meal was so funny.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, so this is better.
Very, very much better.
Yeah, you know, you come up with these Mexican dishes, all these Mexican names, you know, and, you know, we're still, you know, getting to it. But hey, today he's creating a bed nest with potatoes. Let's talk about the ingredients you're working with this morning.
Yeah. This morning, I'm going to be making chicken stir fry on potato bread nest.
On actually,
on
yeah.
potato bread nest, yeah.
Okay, so ingredients, please.
Yeah, okay. We'll be using the likes of egg, and of course this is
Flour.
corn flour.
Corn flour.
Yeah. This is julienne yellow bell pepper, onion. This is of course red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Here we have our vegetable oil, chopped garlic,
Chicken
shredded,
strips.
yeah, and then black pepper, onion, and then shredded potato.
Yes, so you said salt.
So yeah, it's salt. Yeah, this salt.
And then we have a lot of
Ketchup,
yeah,
and then soy sauce.
and
Dark
oyster
soy
sauce.
yeah, and then oyster sauce.
Which we're going to use for the chicken stir fry, I'm guessing.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Can we start cooking?
Yeah, of course.
Great.
So the very first step about this meal is to mix our corn flour
With our
with egg together with
the potatoes.
the potato.
And the potatoes we're working with this morning is the Irish potatoes.
Yeah, Irish potato. Yeah,
Yes.
of course.
And if you notice,
Alright.
the potatoes are cut in tiny strips
Yes.
Yes.
So in order to
to
achieve
create the bed nest.
exactly.
Yes, so if you're familiar with how a bed nest looks, then you have an idea of what we're trying to create here with our potatoes, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. And of course, I'm adding
Corn flour.
corn flour. It shouldn't be too much, but at least to an extent so it can hold. All right.
Okay. Well, and that's the role of the egg as well. So
Exactly.
you know, give it that, you can put it together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you mix them together,
Okay.
mix thoroughly. You mix. Ensure that every part of the potato is touching, the egg and the corn flour.
Okay.
All right.
And then I'm sure the role of the corn flour also is to give it that crisper feel.
Yeah.
Great.
So you mix thoroughly.
Really nice.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to this meal. This is a one-person's meal. You can't even share. Because you can't have like a half bed nest. Right.
Okay. I think it's fine this way. So you're just gonna refrigerate it for about 10 to 20 minutes.
Why are we refrigerating it?
Yeah, we are refrigerating because we want it to hold.
Okay.
All right. While we're trying to create our bed nest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it will hold. That's
Okay.
the major reason why we should refrigerate it just for 10 minutes or 15 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So I'm just gonna put this into.
The free.
Yeah.
Okay. If you're just joining us, people, with me is Chef Johnson, and this morning we are making chicken stir fry on potato bed nest. Yes, so we are creating a bed nest, like literally, with potatoes, and we're working with Irish potatoes this morning, guys. All right, so we're moving over to our chicken stir fry.
Exactly.
And we're working with a lot of vegetables, bell peppers, as you can see this morning.
Okay.
So how do we start?
We're gonna start by heating up our oil. Just a very little drop
And
of
what
oil.
other protein can we use if you're staying away from chicken?
Oh, you can use you can actually use, like I do tell people, like you can use any protein of your choice. It all depends on your own preferences, all right?
Okay.
And you can actually just create something for yourself.
For yourself.
It's always like that. All right, we're gonna heat up our pan.
This is a weekend, so this is definitely something I'm gonna try this weekend.
So
And guess
we
what?
shouldn't forget to always season our chicken,
Okay.
salt, and of course, signature black pepper. My favorite.
Well, not mine.
My favorite.
Sorry
I
about
can't do
that.
without black pepper. I like it so much. Then a bit of garlic.
Okay.
A bit of garlic. This should be mixed together.
Okay.
Should be mixed together while it all goes into the
Hot oil.
yeah.
So because it's chicken breast and because you're, in tiny pieces, it's not going to take so long to cook.
That's all. All right. So
So at what point does our vegetables go in?
we're gonna bring this out, for some time. Then make our sauce. After everything, then we'll now toss in the chicken. Then followed by the vegetables. Yeah.
And because we want our vegetables to be crisp and fresh.
Exactly.
Not going to
At all. So, I think at this point, as you can see, it's almost ready.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Looks really good. Nice. And guess what, people? It's the weekend. You get to make this. You have all the time tomorrow to, make this for your family. I mean, surprise your husband. Do something really nice. Tell him, darling, today I want to, serenade you. I want to give you something really nice, Prepare this wonderful recipe, and I'm sure he's going to love it. He's going to, it's even better than taking him to a restaurant and spending all that money, where you can actually make this by yourself.
So simple.
Very simple.
Very, very simple.
Okay,
So, and of
our
course,
chicken
it's
is almost ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at this point, we should bring it out.
So in our chicken, if you're just joining us, we've added salt and black pepper. Just salt and black pepper.
Yeah.
Great. All right. So we're moving on to making our sauce, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So on that same pan, all right, garlic first, and of course you should know that. Garlic.
Okay. And garlic has a lot of nutritional benefits, people, just in case
Exactly.
you don't know. And it's very high in antioxidants, which of course helps to boost your immune system. So it's a must-have. I mean,
Of course, as you can see, we're already having a caramelized garlic.
garlic. What goes in next?
We're going to toss in our ketchup. All right. This shouldn't be up to. I mean, just 3 spoons. 3
Okay.
spoons. It's fine.
ketchup.
Yeah, of ketchup.
Okay.
All right.
It's like making barbecue chicken.
Yeah, and you shouldn't forget that it should be on a medium
Heat.
heat. Yeah.
Okay.
Should be on
So
a,
that the ketchup doesn't burn.
exactly.
Great.
Should be on a medium heat.
Okay, so much happening here in the kitchen and so much more to happen on the show later on, people. Don't go anywhere. And of course, with me in the kitchen this morning is Chef Johnson. And guess what, people? We are making chicken stir fry and potato bed nests. Like bed nest. On your screen right there are the ingredients, but we'll go through it once more, right?
Yeah.
Chef Johnson, over to you.
Okay, so far so good. We've tossed in both.
Let's talk about the ingredients first.
Okay. We have the likes of yellow pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onion. This chicken, we've already sauteed the chicken
With salt and black pepper.
with salt and black pepper and garlic. And then this is our black pepper and salt.
And our garlic.
And our garlic as well.
Okay,
Oyster sauce, right, dark soy sauce, and then tomato ketchup.
great.
Yeah.
Okay, so our sauce is ready. Let's tell people, they didn't get to see that, so let's tell them what's in there.
Okay, so far so good. We have sauteed garlic,
Okay,
all right, with 3 tablespoons of
ketchup,
tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of
oyster sauce,
oyster sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of
dark soy sauce.
dark soy sauce.
Okay.
You have to be very careful while using this because it's so salty.
Yes.
Very, very salty.
So you have to watch the quantity of salt you're putting into
Exactly.
your dish. Great.
So,
What's next?
our black pepper,
That's every chef's must-have.
our black pepper,
Okay.
you can add, you can add as much as you like. It depends on how you want your, your
sauce.
Yeah, exactly. So
and you also mentioned earlier on that it has to be done on medium heat, not high heat.
Yeah, exactly.
So that it doesn't get burnt.
So we're going to add water into this to lighten it up.
Okay, because it's very thick.
It's very thick.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to allow this to boil out.
Okay. So once that's ready, what's next? What goes in next?
The chicken.
Okay. So remember that we have already cooked, like pre-cooked our chicken earlier on with salt and black pepper.
Yeah.
So right now, because our sauce is ready, we're just going to toss our chicken in. Our pre-cooked chicken.
So at this point, the chicken should go in.
Okay. So is that going to thicken up later on?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Of course. That looks nice. It's like a barbecue chicken sauce. That's what's going through my head right now. I hope you're watching at home.
It's already getting thicker. The consistency and all that, yeah.
So what happens if you do not get the required consistency you're looking for?
Nothing. Whatever you've done, it's fine. All right.
Okay.
As far as you've used the appropriate recipe, and it doesn't even really have to be thick. Some stir fry come out dry. Yeah.
Okay.
All you're just going to be seeing is veggies and the
chicken
and maybe a little bit of sauce coated on the body of the chicken.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right. So as you can see, the consistency is already getting thicker.
Yeah. We also need to remind you watching at home that our potatoes actually are in the fridge at the moment. We had to keep them refrigerated after marinating them with eggs and corn flour.
Exactly.
Yes, and then we left it for a while because we wanted to, give it that foam when we put it in our deep fryer.
Yeah.
Which we're going to do in a bit.
Okay. So at this point, we should add
our vegetables.
Onion.
Okay.
Yeah.
One would think that the onions should come first because
onion.
We are so used to it, right?
The reason why we have to add onion first is to also allow it to build more
flavors. Okay. This is really going to turn out amazing. Like, I can't wait to taste it. It's going to turn out really nice. So we're going to leave that to cook, yeah? For a while?
30 seconds.
Oh, okay.
30 seconds. As much as we want to get this crunchiness from our vegetables.
Yeah. Okay. So the last ingredient that's going in right now are our bell peppers. All of it's going in. But remember that you do not have to leave it on heat for too long because once you get all that freshness and crispiness from our vegetables, right? Welcome to the kitchen, DJ K-Wise.
Thank you.
Yes, so this is Chef Johnson.
Wow.
And this morning he's made chicken stir fry on potato bed nests. I like that. I like the sound of that. DJ Chef Johnson, please go ahead and tell us how you put this together quickly.
All right, this is very simple. Okay, it's it's chicken stir fry on a potato bed nest. You know what bed nest? Of course, you know what bed nest is all about. A bed, like an habitat for a bed. So the plating here, it's representing
the ingredients on the screen.
An habitat for a bed. And then this is like it's terrain where it moves around and all that.
Yeah, so the whole habitat and everything.
Exactly. That's what it's all about.
Yes.
Bring the food.
Even though the bird in this nest has been
Cooked.
murdered and fried.
So who won the game?
Please have a taste.
I did.
He won the game now.
So you earned your breakfast.
You earned your breakfast
Wow.
today.
So well done.
Please.
Join me, guys.
We will.
yeah,
Just you.
You've never played that game before. I still don't believe it.
That's my first time. Seriously.
So, Chef Johnson, there's only one nest.
Why is there only one nest?
And there's several birds here.
What do you think? Love it?
Yeah, very nice. Very
Use words, bro.
He's speechless. It's Very
fine.
nice.
Oh,
Well done, Chef
beautiful.
Oh, thank you
Nice
very
one,
much.
Chef Johnson. And it looks very visually appealing.
I'm telling you.
Now with that,
very
we've
much.
had an amazing week.
Yes,
the
indeed.
whole team is in the building today. Yes, indeed, and we had a blast.
A big thank you to our friends over at Homely NG for all the kitchen accessories on Wake Up Nigeria.
We appreciate you. We also appreciate every single guest that's been on the show throughout the week and all of you watching at home, at your offices, in your shop, wherever you are right now. We appreciate you. We'll be back on Monday morning.
Yes, indeed. Don't forget, DJ KY is a professional dart thrower. He was just pretending, but yeah.
6 a.m., people. See you on Monday.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great